Hi traders, greetings. Today is August 2020, based from the Asia session. It is 27, but if you are in USA, it's still 26 evening. So I call it this US night session, or in other words, it is Asia session. So we have a good buy bullish market since last night or in early the morning of a US session. So now we can see since the market opening, we have a very strong indication that the market might go for a bearish movement, which is to go south. So based from my indicator, there's a multiple signal for short sell. Time frame 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and as well for 30 minutes. So uh, I made some of the trading, but a small one, just for Asia session. It's not much, um, just a bit for the scalp early in the morning or early during the market open, and so it's not much. We are on the go for the NQ for Nasdaq, so it's quite a favorite, but have to take care of the risk. And for the other market as well, for the Dow Jones, can see okay, there's a large move on Dow Jones as for now. So it was strong bullish yesterday. I mean the 26th trading day. So for 27, the new opening trading day, with large movement until now. Now you can see. So let me change it into the normal candle so you can see it more clear to the okay. This one is quite strong, and it traded below the VWAP area. So we have a sell signal. We have a good sell signal earlier from our indicator, US session scalping indicator. I name it as a US session scalping because we are going to scalp, because we are not going to take everything. And we have a good movement yesterday, a scalp for the short sell, and then another scalp for the bullish kind of a movement. It was a good day. Only I have made some losses in my Dow Jones. So the profit overall is only 217. If you check my other video, my latest video, previous video, there's a lot from the Dow Jones micro, but cover back with the Dow Jones mini. Okay, so you can see now it's quite strong bearish movement. Okay, I also have a position for Nasdaq. Okay, start to move, I think around 10 points already. Yep, same as well, 10 points or not much. Yeah. No, $30. So it was a good one. So I'm just scalper, so I will take profit easily like this, like 35 or 40. So I will go flat on the market, doesn't matter how. I will just liquidate, because profit is for this kind of indicator, profit is good enough. It's not that much. I didn't expect to have a 200. If you are trading the mini or standard account, so you can expect about 200 to 400 for easy scalping in Nasdaq market or even Dow Jones market. So which is quite good and quite reliable with this kind of trading strategy, which I already implement since 2017. So now I send out a signal for almost 3 years already, and now I'm translate it into the indicator. So which is far more easier for the traders to follow me and to trade more and to be in the market more often, and regardless which session it is. So as for now, this is a US night session, or in other words, it's Asia session. We can still make a good money with scalping. I'm using the small position, about 2 lots, micro, because most my account is not that big, because I'm start trading this account a small account trading challenge of 350 US dollar. I begin with that amount, I think 2 weeks ago, and now already reached 1,500 or 1,600, including 250, or sorry, including 350, sorry, 250 withdraw yesterday. So the objective is to get a day trading as a day salary. All right, so let's make some review on the market price movement. So I'm using high Kanashi compared to the normal candle in my application on the indicator, is due to cut off some noises, and now we can have a good clear view of the trendy move compared to the normal candle. And for example, like this, this is a good example of a trendy move since yesterday. So you can see there's a steep. You can put a trailing stop just right before each of the heiken candle. Whenever the price break through the previous candle, so it will help to clear out more profit for us, and we can still trail the profit easily with this kind of situation. I think yesterday the mini S&P looks much more promising. Yeah, because that's just nice during the opening of a US session. So my rules of thumb is to trade 10 a.m. above for the indexes market. 10 a.m. refer to the New York time of 10 a.m. So for example, like this, based from my US session scalping indicator. So the price start to trade at 10:20. The signal appeared at 10:20. There's a first signal at 10. It is a valid signal for short sell position, if you can see over here. But uh, it didn't fill out. So we go for the next one and fill out through the buy stop limit order. So with this, I can still maintain my position on the upward trendy move. So which is quite good and quite reliable with this kind of strategy. That's why I'm using the Heiken as my indication. So as for today, the market seems like to make a bearish move after a very 2 days of a strong bullish kind of movement. So now trading below the view outline. So the base of the view outline is above, trading above it is the bullish condition. Trading below it is the bearish condition. So based from the Heiken as well, it's quite strong. We have a full bar here, which means there's a strong indication market might go further down, unless the next candle cancel out this candle, which is has the penetration on the higher side over here. So there's a more likely that the market might do consolidation or sideways movement or a reversal on the pattern. Okay, so go back to the Nasdaq because we have a position in Nasdaq at this moment. I'm still expecting for the market to reach the pivot level line, which is at this 11,821 point. So which is almost 100 plus. So if I can hold my position, so this is where I will exit my position, or maybe I will just scalp and exit later on once the price once there will be, there sure will be another signal, maybe in time frame 30 minutes or 10 minutes time frame should be okay. Only the difference between this time frame and by using this signal is the stop losses. So as for this one, the order have just been filled. So let me elaborate more. Okay, so we did receive a short sell signal at time of 8 p.m. New York time, and now we do a stop limit order over here and then waiting for the market to go further down. So this is one of the strategy, or you can just take a profit. One one point of Nasdaq contribute to $2 for micro account. For mini account is $20, which is quite a lot for 1 point price movement, because daily the price move about 200. So which is, if you are trading micro as well, you can earn around 400 US dollar easily if your direction is good and synchronized with the market. So okay, we're still in the position. I think 32. I should just exit my position. Yeah, should be good enough because I don't expect much. $30 early in the morning is quite good because the commission as well with the M futures is very low and very cheap. So yeah. Okay, for today we have a good feed of $30 for US session. If you are trading the larger position size, should be more. If you are trading the mini account, should be 10 times more, if not mistaken, or 5 times more because I'm trading 2 lots. So it should be around 150 US dollar in profit easily. So the risk is very less. Why I did say the risk is very less, because as you can see now the price is one. So did break through this level of, let me check, 1955.50, and then we can scalp a small scalp, should be a good of 5 points times 20 should be around $100 easily. $100. based from this. So we don't have to wait or trend the whole thing. Maybe because you can earn more, but it's quite risky as well because market might reverse back. Because Asia session or US night session is a slow market movement, so we don't expect large movement compared to your US session, which is on the day trading of the US session. So for this one, it's a good and quick scalp. It's more like 100% routine. And if you go for the lower time frame, there will be a multiple entry or multiple signal, but still a good enough, I believe. Still a good enough. We have a short sell early, just right before the market close, and during the opening, you can have the opportunity to short sell the market because there's also large movement, only a few minutes or a few seconds at the beginning, but then the market will stabilize and try to make a move or a trend kind of a movement. All right, so there's a more likely the market will go for a bearish movement today, unless they going crazy again and go for another high, a new high. So as you can see, for the past 2 days, market seems pretty much bullish for Nasdaq. So we earn a lot during this time because the movement is more larger and not a sideways move. Except for yesterday, we are stuck into the Dow Jones with the sideways move during the London session. Okay, guys. Pretty much that's of it. And for next, okay, for Dow Jones, the market already reached the pivot level, but for Nasdaq, there's far below here. So there's 100 points or 120 points movement later on, maybe during the London session. Okay, I think that's all. A quick update or a quick a view about how the indicator works and how I do the trading. I don't expect much from the market daily, about 100 to 300, or sometimes if we are lucky, we can get a 500. If we manage our position well, we can earn more to this because 1 point like $2 for mini S&P. 1 point is $5 of price movement. Okay. So in trading, we have to be more conservative and not to be as greedy as what we want. It's not a quick scheme or a quick way to get rich quickly. All right, so just I think that's all. There's a below link in the description, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you in US session. Thank you. Bye bye.